my beautiful, beautiful Libras. You might be in a space where you might be sabotaging yourself a bit, where you might be feeling trapped in a cycle. And I want you to go look and see. Have you felt unsupported before, misunderstood? Have you felt that you always had to be the one that had to come about with the solution? Might there on some level be a belief that you can't trust people, that people are always going to let you down? Because I have just recently, just now, completed your general tarot reading for the last 3 months of 2025, October, November, December. And repeatedly and very clearly I saw there that with the energy of Libra, there is a fear, there is an unresolved fear there that almost like makes you jump back into the pit of fire again. It's almost like you're trying to prevent the fear. And that is not really to your benefit. It keeps you stuck in a pattern that you are actually very ready to move beyond, to leave behind. Okay? So there is a link floating about in the bottom of your screen. I want you to click it so that you can see your detailed reading, so that you can get the guidance that you need, so that you can thrive, so that you can move to that next level, my beautiful Libra, that you are ready to move next to, okay? So click the link, check it out. My name is Adrian Nelson. I'm a life transformation guide. With all my heart, I want to see you in, okay?